So the next topic is going to be comparing mitosis and meiosis. So this here is a 6-mark question. This here is a 6-mark question. So what we're going to do, we're going to compare mitosis and meiosis. If you want to pause it here, give this a go, pause the live stream, you're more than welcome to, and then I'll go for the answer with you. So mitosis is when one diploid body cell, this is mitosis, divides to form 2 genetically identical diploid body cells. That there is mitosis, when body cell, which is diploid, divides once, so it divides once to form 2 genetically identical body cells. Whereas meiosis is different. Meiosis is when one diploid cell, it actually divides twice. So the diploid cell divides twice. So the diploid cell divides twice to form 4 gametes. So they form 4 gametes. All of them have 1 N, which means they are haploid. So the product of meiosis is that all the cells are firstly gametes, they're sex cells, and not only are they sex cells, but they're all haploid gametes, haploid sex cells. And they're not genetically identical. So all of these cells are not genetically identical, whereas in mitosis, the cells formed are genetically identical. As you can see here, in meiosis, there's 1 cell division and a 2nd cell division. So in mitosis, there is 1 cell division, and in meiosis, there are 2 cell divisions. So this comes on to how would you answer this question? I think this is a really nice question to get in an exam because you can get a lot of marks quite quickly. So firstly, mitosis. Mitosis is when one body cell divides once. So there's 1 cell division. And it forms body cells. And it forms 2 genetically identical diploid cells. So you've now talked about mitosis, and it says to compare it. So meiosis has 2 cell divisions, and it forms gametes that are genetically non-identical. They're genetically non-identical, and they form 4 haploid gametes. I've always said gametes. They form 4 haploid gametes. So as you can see here, you've now compared the 2 of them, even though you've written about them separately. You can also compare them bit by bit. So you can say mitosis has 1 cell division, whereas meiosis has 2 cell divisions. I think this is a really nice way to lay out your answer, personally. So that there is mitosis and meiosis. Pause the video now to attempt these questions. Remember, it's a live stream, so the live stream will continue if you want to pause to attempt these questions, and then we're going to go on to the next topic. Pause the live stream to attempt these questions. The answers will follow. Pause here to go through your answers. The next topic's going to follow now.